Hello UiPath experts, welcome to the UiPath.learner channel. Thank you very much for subscribe my channel. So let us see a new thing like a last videos we saw how to create a new entry into the data services. See here, so how to create a new entry. So what we will see now, so see here, so we have a director entity is there in the data service. In the data service, see here, you can click this one. So we will see the remaining things. Let us see here. So what we can do, I'm just removing everything here. Let us take the remaining things like so we saw the how to create an entity. So let us see the delete and these things and all. So first of all, how can we retrieve the entities? Just drag and drop this one. Instead of that, what's the best thing here is you can just drag and drop. So you're not finding any director. See here, so we have a director entity is there in the website, but here in the project panel we're not seeing any director entity. So why? Because we have to manage. So click on the manage entities and select the director entity. Okay, so save. Once you click on the director entity from the manage entities wizard, so it will add these director entities into your project panel, so that you can just drag and drop that entity to your project. So while you want to use while you are using any activities related to the data service. So today we will see how to retrieve. So let us see here. So what basically it is saying, so some errors, the document unresolved, this one. So what is the errors? Maybe because of this one. Okay, so now it is empty. Let us drag and drop the refresh this one also. You can see what happened under this one director. Let's drag and drop this director and click on the get entity records or query entity records. Okay, so what we will do, we will query the entity records. So what we can do, simply give the column name. So this is a city name, or you can just select from here, city name is equal to or contain. Suppose for example I want to retrieve all the names of the this one Uttarakhand, so who are in the Uttarakhand. Okay, so all the directors from the Uttarakhand. Let us go here, equal to Uttarakhand, give the double quotes. Okay, and also if you want to more like a Uttarakhand and starts with the yes, so who the director name starts with the S and who is city name is Uttarakhand. Let us try that one. Okay, so add a group, add a row. This is and or. You can just decide what is that and or. The director name, full name, starts with, so you can have a lot of conditions like so does not contain equals, does not equals, right, ends with, starts with. Just use the starts with and give the yes. Okay, so what it means, so all the director names, so which is contains the Uttarakhand and full name contains starts with the S. Let us see here, the output will be a list of results. So you can skip the one, that mean top 0 onwards or top 1 onwards like that. So you can just make the top 10 or top 100 like that. Okay, so what we can do now, see here, the output is a records, list of records. Okay, list of directors, create a list directors. So this list directors, you can just simply loop each and every directors list, and you can create a that mean anything like a. So let us create a so what we can just create for each. So let us display all the details in the for each. So for each, the type is the director type and the list of directors. This item is like a director. Okay, I'm just using the log message to display the director name dot full name. And so that is the beauty of this entities. You can just call it like directly with the real-time names, real-time entity. Okay, city name, try to display. So what we use now, so we use the a query, so by using the query entities, so from the whole data, so we retrieve the only the corresponding details, like a, so who are all starts with the, whose names are starts with the S, and who are living in the Uttarakhand. That is a, so like a, so query entities. Good. So what is the next one? Within this, if this is like a, so if you want to delete these ones, or so let us make these all the things into the other city names. So for example, here Andhra Pradesh is there. I don't find any Kerala. Okay, what we can do, so we can keep this. Let's imagine, so who all starts with the S, who are living in the Uttarakhand, they are moving to the Kerala. Okay, let's update the data. So what we can do, we can just go to the data service, update entity. Okay, just drag and drop the update entity. This is a select the director, and what is the input record? dir director, the object of this one here, and you can just simply use the same object. Okay, so what it will do, it will update. So what we have to do, so it will update the same director. So before that, use the assign operator, and change the city name equal to Kerala. See, you're just changing the city name to the Kerala, and you're updating the object. So you're updating the object. I'm just using the same director. So what we done? So we taken the sum details. So by using the sum filters by in the query entity records, and it's like a, see, this is a query. So the city name equal to Uttarakhand, and the first name should starts with the S. And those details we are looping each and every entity, and then we're just changing the city name from the Uttarakhand to Kerala and update those records to the data. So let us see here. So we have a S starts with the S, Uttarakhand is there. Let us try to run this one, and we'll look at into the data services into the orchestrator. Let us try. The bot is running, and bot will just read and update all the details. See here, these are all the three details, and it is changed. So let us go back entities, or you can just simply click on the refresh also. Okay, directors, so data, see here, Kerala is there. Okay, refresh, click on the refresh here, refresh, Kerala is there. Okay, see here, Kerala, these people came to the Kerala from the Uttarakhand. See here, Kerala, got it? So this is an update. Okay, suppose for example the people who are that mean let us see here. So Gujarat, so who is there in the Gujarat? So we're not taking the Gujarat people, just imagine. So Gujarat, so who is living in the Gujarat, let's remove those details. So what we can do, simply go here and change this one to the Gujarat and remove this filter. Okay, so save this one. So who is the city name is a Gujarat. So those things we will just loop each and everything. And what we can do, so instead of update, we can just simply drag and drop the delete command. Okay, so delete, which one we have to delete? Delete this one. And how can we know the ID? Director dot ID. Okay, so the ID we don't know, right? So anyway, we have an entity, so we can just simply call that entity into that one. Okay, director dot ID. Let us try to run this one. So currently we have a Gujarat person. Okay, so we will see that whether the Gujarat person is removed or not. Okay, let's go back here and click on the refresh button. It will refresh with the original data here. Do you find any Gujarat person is there? No, right? It is removed. Okay, that's how we can delete the record from the Gujarats. Get entity, record by ID. So if you have IDs, so you can just get the, it's like just getting the object from the ID. So suppose for example ID, and here if you just create a one more column like a, so current director, simply use the current director. This will give the entity. Director ID is object. Okay, so director dot ID. So if you pass the ID, it will return the object, entity object. Okay, so what we can just simply do, so simply instead of this one, so we can just simply directly use the current director, the newly created one, full name plus space current director dot city name. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so what we done, so we are just filtering by using the, suppose anything, suppose for example let us sort it Assam. So if the city name is Assam, just take those records, and so it will retrieve the entity as the output. So if you use get entity by ID, so get entity record by ID. So let us see here output panel, they're just displaying those things. The output is like a, so we are just using the current director, that is the output of the get entity record by ID. Okay, so we learn how to create an entity, we learn how to delete the entity. Okay, so query entity record, update, we updated the okay, Uttarakhand to the Kerala, right? So these are all the things you can just simply make it changes very easily, so without SQL knowledge. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So please subscribe my channel, so if you not have to subscribe, and also you can join as a Sky member. This is a Sky member, so if you just
hello UiPath experts, welcome to the UiPath Learner channel.
So you will get a lot of
now you can become a membership. Okay, so you can take a membership.
So I will explain and whole my experience. Thank you.